Hi everybody, my name is Grete Eliassen, professional skier and also ski tuner novice. I just love taking care of my equipment, and you should too, because that means it will last forever. So today I want to show you how to get your skis ready for opening day at your ski hill. If you did what I told you to do last spring, was to wax your skis with a super cold wax. I use the blue MountainFlowEcoWax, which is a 10 to 25 Fahrenheit degree wax, so super cold, kept on the ski all summer and wasn't letting anything else get into the base. So what do you got to do to get these skis ready now for day one? So step number one is to scrape off all that cold wax we put on last spring. And I really like to wear gloves when I do this, when I scrape, because I don't want to cut my fingers. And I love using this little red rubber band. That's what keeps my bindings up while I'm scraping. So just put it on the vise. Get your favorite scraper. I like the really sharp ones. And just push that wax right off. Step two is brushing, and I have two of my favorite brushes. One's a metal brush and the other one's like just a nylon. I think they used to call it a horsehair brush. And the reason you brush your ski is to make grooves in your base, which allows the water that sits on top of the snow to just glide over your ski and you go really fast. So step number one, scrape. Step number two, brush. Okay, now we've scraped the skis and we've brushed the skis and made the grooves in our base. Next up, you guessed it, we're gonna wax. And I've decided to use this MountainFlowEcoWax all-weather wax. It ranges from 8 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and opening day is still a couple weeks away, so we don't really know what the weather is, but I'm assuming it's gonna be somewhere around -1 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So find out what your weather is gonna be, what the snow temperature is, and that's how you pick what kind of wax you're gonna use. And you need a hot iron, got your wax right here, and you just basically put it on the iron, and then once it starts dripping, just lightly let some dots fall onto the ski and go all the way down to the bottom. And then you go all the way to the top again, and then you put your iron flat, and I like to make sure the tip gets some wax. And then you just kind of hold it, but make sure you're always moving, because you really don't want to leave the iron in one spot, because that could actually burn your base and start like boiling your base and make a bubble. And that would be the opposite of what we're trying to do right now. So just nice waxing all the way down. I actually did a pretty good job. It almost looks pretty clear. We just want to make it all flat, and all parts of the base get some of this new wax on it. And there you go. Step three, wax done. Now we'll put this ski up and we'll just let it dry for about 2 to 3 hours. And we got to work on the next ski. All right, we're here for the final steps of getting your skis ready for opening day. We've let this ski rest for about 2 to 3 hours, and the wax is really stuck to the base of the ski. And now we're going to scrape it off. Same thing as before. Find your sharpest scraper, start from the top, and go all the way to the tip of the ski. Okay, after we're done scraping, it's time to brush again. Grab your metal brush and your nice nylon horsehair brush. And again, just try to make those nice grooves in your base to let that water that sits on top of the snow just glide over your ski. And you'll be super fast. Okay, let's do one final brush from tip all the way to the tail. And that's it. You're ready to go. I'm really proud of you for taking care of your equipment. It'll last forever. And enjoy opening day.